This is what I'm using. This thing right here. This little tiny thing. It's catching fish. Got one. It's a crappie. Give me the net. So just there we go. Suspended in the water column. They are huge. Nice keeper right there. Cold water crappie. First slab of the day. So I say this 12-incher. 11 3/4. Good. To show. Oh, yeah, that's a big one. Well, that's not what they're discussing. Yeah. This guy's huge.
You know, bro?
That's a freaking slab. Oh my gosh. He's huge. Bro. Dang. That dude's like a...
Dude, that's
He's huge, bro. Look at this. Jeez. We're fishing 17, 18 feet in the water. Slow floating a jig. 13 inches. We got a 13 on board. Absolutely gorgeous. Right in front of the boat. Yep. Right in front of the boat. Should we keep this guy?
Measure.
There's our last day. He's 10 inches Zach, so I'm gonna toss him back.
Yeah. What plastic are you using?
I'm using this pink and purple Bobby Garland stuff that I've never used before. I ran out of white, so
I think mine's not twisting.
Oh, massage it, like pull it up and down. Yeah, massage it. Yeah, this I've never used it. I just had it in here just because. And I'm surprised it's working. Cause I would rather go with white, but I'm like, you know what? Whatever, man. I got nothing to lose this last day. So I got some in the packet if you want to try it out. Ooh. Thanks.
There's a current too, man.
Uh-huh. There's a lot going on right now, so it's like, man.
Even the birds aren't getting anything. I saw a...
Oh, dude, he's right here.
Yeah, I saw
Yeah.
that bird, man. I tell you like nothing.
It's okay, yeah. Oh, I got fish. What the heck?
I actually got fish.
I was snagged.
I don't know what they were doing.
I don't either, bro.
It's working, I guess.
I was rubbing on the wood like crazy. Hey, man. Just vertical jig until they come out. That's it.
That's literally what I was thinking. Just like, don't go too far down.
Yep. Oh, I got one, dude. It actually worked. It actually worked. Oh, nice crappie. That's a keeper. It actually worked, bro. Just vertical jig it, dude. Yes, dude. I'm like, man, I don't want to get snagged up. I'm just gonna drop it down. There you go, right underneath the boat. That's a keeper right there. Oh.
This is why we brought you, David.
I get lucky, dude. I'm just as clueless as you guys are, man. I'm just trying to puzzle, and hopefully it works out. That's a good year right there. See, there's got to be an 11 to keep. I mean, it's 10 to keep out here, but we want only 11s. Oh yeah, 11 past 11 by a hair, so that's a keep. Huh?
How far down were you?
You could say about like 10 feet saw, dude. I don't get snagged, you know. It's 4 fish for me so far. They're right on my waypoint too. Oh shit. Okay, cool kissu. There we go. Oh gosh, what's going on? That's another slab.
Dang, can we just like anchor right here?
Should we keep it? It's another 11. What if, yeah, because we don't keep it, what if they're like, they start disappearing on us? I guess we keep it. 11 and a half. 11 and a half, going in. Yeah, definitely want to take some home now. They're all going to be that size, I'll take them home. Yep, it's almost there. Almost there.
Not now.
Thank you, Lord. Yeah, dude, pit. Oh, there he goes. There's just a random cast, guys. There we go, low guy. They're stocky as heck, dude. He's back at home, man. They were coming out well for us. They're pooping brown weeds. So maybe there's another fish on the outskirts of it. Yeah, there's a lot of stomps here, dude. It's like a whole freaking city of stomp right here. Dude, there we go. That's a big one. That's a big one. Oh my gosh. No, that's big. Watch out, watch out. Oh my gosh, it's huge. That thing's huge. No, stay. Where's the net? Where's the net? Dude, look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Dude, look at that. Holy smoke. Bro. Now you see this?
Yeah. Dude, yeah, man.
Oh my gosh. Are we still on the stump?
We are.
Okay, good.
I'm still drinking.
Yeah, I was drinking high, bro. Because I don't want to get snagged. Boom. Dude. This is an up north crappie right here. That thing is massive. That's crazy. I want a picture of this guy. Oh my gosh. This is a 14, bro. This is a 14. Oh, it's a 14 incher.
Nice.
Yes, PB. 14 incher. Look. Oh my gosh. Look at that. 14 mark right there. Oh my gosh, dude. That's insane. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my god. No, that's the crib. No, that's the crib. Yeah. Look, it's different now. It's over here. Rob. So, I mean, there's other stuff down there too, you know. So, oh, this is not good. You got one? There you go, see? Don't use me! That's a good one.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, let go, open. Open. That's a big fish, dude. What is that? Hold on, bro, hold on. I'll help you out. Fight slow.
Oh,
it's a big walleye!
I got him. I still got him.
Careful.
I got him.
Dude, it's a big walleye. Dude, let's go!
That's such a good
High
size.
five, bro. I'm stuck. I got a stick in my hand, dude.
Dude, that's freaking huge.
Yeah, this is big. Look. Dog, look at my stick, dude.
Let's
go.
dude.
Oh, trip paid off.
Let's go.
Hell yeah, dude. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness, dude.
That's a freaking keeper. I don't care what anybody says, bro. Show it to the GoPro. Heck yeah, Dow.
Oh.
Let's go, bro. That's going in the well. It's our last day. Finally paid off, man. Oh my gosh. Don't set the hook, guy. If you do, just keep it down there. I got one, dude. I got one. Yep, I got one. You let go. I didn't want to set the hook, you know. See, he's on. Oh, it's a nice one too. I didn't want to set the hook, you know. He's coming from. Oh my gosh, it's a good one. It's a big one. That's how you do it, bro. Don't set the hook yet, man. Dude, look at that slab, bro. Oh my gosh. I jig high as heck too.
Yeah, you wanna come fish up here? I'm good.
You got like 12 inches, bro.
Alright, yeah. That's good.
There you go, swing it in. That's your keeper. I gotta get it. So how many do I got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.